From films to fashion to adjusting in a royal household as the Begum to the Nawab of Pataudi, Kareena Kapoor is an icon for millions. We caught up with the star at a promotional event. Take a look.
Well, when we talk about Kareena Kapoor Khan, a lot of things come to our mind. Films, beauty, hair, brands, and even Saif Ali Khan. And what better than talking to Kareena herself today about all of these things put together. Kareena, you and Saif have been endorsing a brand together for a long time now. You as a couple, you're also known as a power couple in Bollywood, so as to say. So you as a couple, does it take the brand value to the next level? And is it much more fun working together? And how has it sort of changed along the years?
No, well, I think it's great working together. It's a conscious decision that we like to take, that we don't do a lot of work together. I think both Saif and me are very, very strong personalities. We're very individual in the way we think.
There will be the next movie that you might do together. There will be a strategic decision after that as well.
It has been a strategic decision that we haven't worked together, because I think we like to work with other actors. We blossom with other actors. Somewhere Saif feels he's a lot more easygoing with that. And plus our personal and our professional lives are completely different.
You also turned a year older with your birthday just a couple of days ago.
I love it. I think it's I think it's amazing. Like I said, I'm a year older and hopefully not wiser. People say it's wiser, but I'm like, no, I don't want to be wiser. So it's great. And like, I mean, what's important is that my family was there, close friends are there. And that, to me, that's the most important factor in my life.
Kareena, you've been busy shooting and promoting your films that you've done in the past. You're planning to go on a little bit of a vacation now. Is that true?
Well, I mean, like, everyone's questioning it, but I mean, nothing is decided as yet, because, you know, I mean, Kabir's film was going to start in November, but now they want to start in October, so we're kind of rescheduling things around. And Saif's has a release called Happy Ending, which is coming now. Instead of December, it's preponed to November. So a lot of plans have gone haywire. So we've just managed to come back and, you know, from Goa, so we're just kind of sitting and rescheduling things still, so nothing's planned.
Rohit Shetty mentioning to work with you again. Is that going to happen soon?
Well, I mean, we've just delivered a recent blockbuster together, and we've always I mean, we've done wonderful work, but it all depends on you know, who his male actors are. Can't be cast opposite like Varun for sure. Like I've been saying in all my interviews, though I love him and he's amazing. But yeah, it all depends on that, you know. But I'd love to work with him, and whenever he has a script, I'm sure he knows I'm a phone call away.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Kareena Kapoor Khan, for talking to us. Thank you very much.